Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, you name it. So if it is the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Love you guys, thank you for coming back and supporting me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video is one of my favorite, is skincare review try on. I decided, so I have 3 products here from the brand ONYOU, and I'm super excited to share with you guys because you guys know I love skincare, and when it's a good skincare I'm all over it. So this product ONYOU is actually a Korean brand. They are focused on clean skincare. That's one thing that I really like about the brand. ONYOU is a vegan-friendly Korean skincare brand. They are focused on natural ingredients and minimalist, which is nice. Sometimes less is more. One of the aspects of the brand which they focus on is make sure that the skincare is actually clean and don't have any harmful ingredients added to. Most of the stuff is 100% natural, which is good. There is no any harsh chemical added to any of this product. Let me show you guys the 3 products that I have here, and we're gonna go one by one. This is the 3 products. They are like I would call a toner or a essence that's supercharged with a good ingredient for our skin, and I have 3 of them here, and each one of them address a different skin issue, which is great. This is the 3 products that we're going to be trying and talking about. So we're going to start with this one here. Is Houttuynia Cordata Extract. Sorry if I'm butchering, I'm trying my best. Some names are a little hard to pronounce, but I'm trying. And this is a skin essence or toner. I would say that it's good for relieve skin trouble and scalp. It's 100% Korean natural skincare. These you can use for your skin or for your hair. If you're having like a dry scalp or irritated scalp, you can use this, or you can use on your skin. And for scalp, you can use on a clean washed hair. You can add with a cotton pad, or you can just use a little spray bottle and just spray straight to the affected area. And they do tell you if you have like an area that needs a little bit more attention to actually put a little cotton pad soaked on the product in that area and leave there for at least 10 minutes. That's nice. So I don't have any skin stuff going on, thank God. At least one thing less. My skin is in a good place at this moment, but I do tend to get my scalp tend to get dry around my face area here. I don't know, maybe just because chemical on the hair dye and hair extension, all these. Just like this. And then we're going to add 2. I have a mirror in front of me, so if I be looking there. The ingredient on this hair toner is the Houttuynia Cordata leaf, glycerine, butylene glycol, propylene and glycol 1.2, hexanediol and water. So I'm just gonna add a little bit like for my dry places here. So I have the cotton pad soaked on the toner. It's more like around my hairline here. I don't know why I tend to get dry here. And my hair tends to get dry on this area. So I'm just adding on the area that the hair tends to get dry. And since I say my skin doesn't have any issue going on now, I'm gonna save the product because actually it's really good to when I actually have something going on. They have a shelf life of 2 years. It's recommended to shelf life, however, is 12 months after open. Alright, so what they say here, you should use a different toner for a different need of your skin. Like I told you guys, my skin doesn't have anything going on now, so I'm gonna put this beauty here to the side, and I'm going to add, the link for ONYOU and for the product down the description of this video, and the ingredient, because if I butcher the name you guys can read that better. Alright, so let's go to our next product. The next product here is going to be my favorite one so far. I always when I have like a skincare set product, I always have one that's my favorite, and so far this one has been my favorite. This one is a Propolis+Honey extract skin nourish and moisturizing, 100% Korean skincare. And if you guys know one thing about the Korean skincare is I even tried a few brands from them, and every single skincare that I try from them, or even makeup, they are amazing. They tend to be natural based, which is good, plant-based, and they are very effective. You can see the people in Korea, their skin are fabulous, so you should copy that trend. Alright, so this one that I was telling you guys is one of my favorite because it's actually good for nourish and moisturize your skin, and that's something that I always use, is a good nourish and moisturizing toner or cream or whatever. And you actually can mix this in other product if you want. So the ingredient here is propolis wax, honey, glycerine, butylene glycol, propylene glycol, and the 1.2 Hexanediol water, I think. And so this one we're going to be adding to the skin because more moisture is better, right? So I'm just gonna add a little bit to my clean cotton pad. That's what the product look like. All right, so I have my cotton pad soaked here, and I have my mirror right there in front of me, so I'm just going to pat on the skin like I would do with another toner. My skin is clean. I just had a little bit of a lip gloss on and a little bit of mascara so I don't look now put it together, and my brows are filled in. But the rest, everything is clean and good. And you guys can see that the skin looks glowy. And this actually smells really good. It smells a little bit like honey, naturally. It feels actually really nice on the skin too. Doesn't feel harsh or dry or nothing. Actually, it does feel moisturized. Feels really nice and moisturizing on the skin. So after I apply the Propolis+Honey extract or toner, whatever you wanna call it, actually the skin feels really glowy, soft moisture. You can actually feel that's actually nice. So yeah, loving. So now we're gonna go to our last but not least one, is Mugwort extract. It's good for relieving irritated and red skin. That's what it looks like. This actually I'm not going to use today because my skin doesn't have any redness going on or any irritation, but I do going to give this to my daughter because she has a lot of she have a really fairy skin and she got a lot of redness and acne and stuff like that. So this definitely is gonna help relieve some of that for her. But I'm very excited about all these products being natural based. I love a good plant-based skincare. So I'm going to add the link below for all these products. And this one, the ingredient is Artemisia, Capillaris Mugwort, Glycerine, Butylene Glycol, Propylene Glycol, 1.2 Hexanediol, and water. I love that it's just not much ingredients here, you know. They have powerful ingredients, but just what actually really works instead of have a bunch of bad chemical included, and that's actually really good. I'm gonna have the link for ONYOU website down in the description of this video so you guys can check them out. Let me know in the comment below if you guys like them or if you enjoyed the video, and I love you guys. I see you guys next video.